Good morning, this is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre, and this morning I'm running through the WTI crude oil and the Brent crude oil technical analysis rundown. I'm going to start with WTI crude oil and start with the higher time frames, the weekly chart, and then drill down to the shorter time frames, trying to pick out all the levels to watch as we go through the trading period. This week we've got off to a bit of a better footing. Last week was a bearish candle, and we managed to recoup some of last week's gains on the weekly chart. We're in at the moment we had a bit of a correction lower after this impulsive move higher. We've come back and we've seemed to have sort of steadied the ship. On the losses side of things, $57 was holding the support here, and we projected higher, trading just close to $61 as we speak. Looking at the daily chart, we are contemplating this head and shoulders formation, still a potential of that, but if we get a break of 62.21, that'll start to maybe negate that, or maybe we'll wait for a break of this channel line, which comes in around about $63. As you can see, over the last two or 3 days, we've seen the bearish momentum faltering and the positive price action coming in this bullish channel. Drilling down to the hourly chart, the interesting move over the last few hours has been a break of this triangle formation. We had decent downward trending resistance coming in, and we've broken above it clearly, and also taken out the horizontal resistance level at 60.74 and 60.86 and pushing higher. So good potential for a move higher. Possibility of a small pullback maybe towards this trend line before we extend higher, but in my view it's looking very positive from a technical front on the WTI crude oil. Popping across to Brent crude oil, trading at a premium, trading currently at 64.18. Very similar price action though. We had this hanging man reversal formation, which we've come down and we found support at just above $60 on the Brent crude oil. The reaction higher from here is pulling away now after last week's poor performance, and really the level to watch is 65.28, which is about $1.10 higher than we currently are trading. The daily chart, again in a similar way to WTI crude oil, has seen positive price action over the last couple of days, and you can see the bearish momentum stalling now. Potential for a crossover on the MACD, which is a positive sign. Again, looking at the shorter term time frames, we've got maybe more of a horizontal level to watch, really, to sort of, this will be the line in the sand. 65.28, again $1.10 higher. That will be the real resistance level that we're likely to see. There will be potential for a, I'll extend this right, downward trending resistance coming in just above where we're trading now, 64.50. A break of there, we should see it open up and move towards 65.28. Oil inventory's out later, so be careful out there. Thanks for joining me today. Look forward to speaking to you soon.